Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the pattern screen lock in this device. So in this device you can see till now I didn't set any screen lock, just swipe up, it is unlocked. So let me show you how to set the pattern screen lock in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, then again scroll down, select the option device unlock, tap on this one, then tap on screen lock. Now you have to select any screen lock password type. You can select numeric, alphanumeric, pattern. To set a pattern screen lock, select the option pattern. So we need to create a pattern screen lock. We need to connect at least 4 dots. Okay. Tap on continue. So here I am going to create a pattern. Confirm the pattern. So if you want to set a fingerprint unlock, you can enable it, otherwise cancel it. Okay. Now let me check how it works. Lock the device. Try to unlock. Now you can see they are asking for the pattern screen lock. Draw the pattern. It is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the pattern screen lock in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.